headed to see an RV. It's a 34-foot Jayco something or other. It's 34 feet. We are going to be doing a oxidation removal followed by a wax treatment. The wax that I use is a ceramic infused wax. The name of the brand slips my mind right now, but Power Lock. I will take a picture of it and insert it here so you can see it. But yeah, so we'll be doing an upgraded wash and wax plus oxidation removal. This customer had called me about 2 weeks ago, wanted me to come by and take a look at the RV. He was very interested in first getting it washed because it needed a good wash, and then secondly is getting a ceramic coating. And in my experience with quoting RVs, 9 times out of 10 they are oxidized, especially out here. I'm not sure about any other area, but 9 times out of 10 the RVs that I look at here are severely oxidized or at some range of oxidation. So ceramic coating isn't normally really an option because they're so severely oxidized. If I even attempt to use a ceramic coating, it's just going to soak up into the surface and it's just pointless. So what I normally do is I do a good deep cleaning, a decon wash, I guess you would say, and then after that I take care of the oxidation, usually wool pad, Papa Cut, some kind of cutting compound, and a wool pad. I use that to remove the oxidation, and then once the oxidation is removed, I will then go in and apply the wax. And that will usually give them about 6 months of protection. It'll return the gloss. The oxidation removal obviously returns some level of gloss, but the wax as well will increase the gloss, protect it. I usually say for about 6 months. The temperatures here are pretty intense, so giving a customer any longer than that would be providing the wrong information. And I don't like to do that. For me, for my business, it's just not part of my model. I try to keep things as honest and direct as possible, and I try to underestimate things just because I like to leave room for worst case scenarios. And out here, because we live in such extremes, gauging everything and setting the customer up for success is making sure that I give them longevity on products kind of in the worst case scenario. So if it ends up lasting longer than that, then that's a plus. So yeah, so that's where we're headed to do, and I will bring you guys along for the process and show you exactly how I do it and what my process looks like, and then I will share with you the results so you can see what that looks like. So stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoy this video.